Remove the tower from the bag. Holding the bands, pull apart slightly until the banner pops open. Take care as it may pop open towards you. Open up the tower completely and fasten the Velcro strap. Always stake it to the ground using the pegs provided. If used outdoors, you can place sand or weights on the inside pockets to weigh it down. Remove all pegs and weights. Unfasten the Velcro strap and fold the sides in. Holding the tower in a vertical position, stand to one side. Holding the top of the banner, use your other hand to press until the banner folds. Pull both edges towards the center. Do not force the fold. Always ensure the banner is completely dry before packing it away in the bag provided.